Okay, here's a little parcel of nice bright pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. The rule's in millimetres. Material's been wetted. The white that you can see there's the reflection of the lights. These have been partially worked, some of them. Others are being left in their raw state. This piece has been polished, but it needs to be recut, so you just end up with this eye. This side here's dead, but could be sold as just a little specimen the way it is. As you can see, the side's dead, so cut that off and concentrate it down. End up with a nice stone. This piece, left hand side, needs to be cut back down to here somewhere. Oops, sorry. This has been cut off another stone, I think. It's bright colours. Perhaps it does sort of twist a bit. You might want to cut it in half and make two separate stones out of it. This is very bright. Other sides, as you can see, there's two faces. Again, another piece that's been cut off a bigger stone. Interesting pattern, nice bits of colour in it. Nice red fire there. It's actually multicoloured, been polished, but I'll be cutting it down so you've got concentrated. Get rid of all this down here. Again with this, some nice bright colours in this piece. End up with some nice stones out of this little deal. I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.